Hey guys, Plant Update 89 is here. It's been a while since I made Plant Update episodes for a week. Anyways, let's start with this plant. So you remember the plant that was that's our third toss, tilting, for example, like this. Well, it's no longer in this plant anymore because it died. And what's even sadder is our old tallest is also dying. Here's our tallest. And no, this is not our third tallest. That's a different plant. And yeah, this used to be our tallest, but it died, unfortunately. But let's try taking it off. We took it off. The thing is, yeah, that's crazy. It used to be our tallest, and our tallest is still alive to this day. And more sad news, the lilies are gone. One died, and the other is also gone. And another one has been split apart. So yeah, but still, yeah, and here it died. I think I said that before. And here's our new flowers. Whoa. Here's how this plant's been doing. As you can see, our oldest one is here now because the other one sadly died, unfortunately. And yeah, this one replaced it. That one replaced it rather than. You remember this was supposed to be a recent plant that's the tallest in this area? And this one was. Well, we now have a new one actually, which is kind of crazy. This one. And yeah. It's now in the top 3 or top 2. Here's how tall they are now. They're the same size as our second tallest. Wait, is this... Wait, which one's taller? That's our second tallest. Our third tallest is this one. And I think it's going to be the same size. But yeah, and the bubbles, the little guys here grew. Nah, and if you're wondering, no, we're not getting a new flower. There's a plant that never dies. It's still alive to this day. But later this year, we're going to cut it to short mode. We're going to cut it till here. How tall it used to be. But yeah, lots of plants starting to die. If you don't know why, but... And yeah. Now we got a new tall leaf from our bush. And sadly, we got some sad news, more sad news, because this plant died, unfortunately. Whoa! Sorry, guys. That was a fly. Anyways, look at the bush. Changed. The other changed. The others grew. And yeah. And here did change it a lot. Because you remember this used to be our tallest. But now its sister is growing to the same size as how tall it used to be. It's kind of crazy how last year a plant, this was the tallest. And now this one was, which was one in the top 5. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. But anyways, it's the end of the episode. Bye.